pag-aalala ng lungsod ng Davao. Naging usap-usapin ang pangungupit ng kanilang top 1 sa pagsusulit sa exam. Ipapatrol ni Jomari Marfe. Jom?
Oo nga, Joseph, isang estudyante ng Davao City National High School, inakusahang nagnakaw ng answer ng kanyang kaklase.
Patuloy ang top 1, cheater naman pala. Hindi yan totoo.
Nagmamaganda ka lang pala. Utak hangin lang pala.
Pathetic loser. Sinasabi na, naiingit ka sa akin.
So do you think that we're a liar now?
Akala naman kung ano kayo katilino. Ako ang top 1 nyo.
Inday, bakit ka ngopya?
Hindi po ako nangongopya.
Sure ka? Ano bang topic ang kinopyahan mo?
Division of line segment.
So nangopya ka nga.
Umamin ka na.
So nangopya ka nga.
Ginawa ko naman po yun for good reason.
Ganito kasi yun.
The topic is division of a line segment. For the point x and y, there will be a different formula. For x, be x1 times r2 plus x2 times r1 all over r plus r2. Just so you know, r is equals to ratio. Y equals to y1 times r2 plus y2 times r2 all over r plus r2. Example, the line segment joining 4 to 7 and 3 to 4 is to be divided into 5 equal parts. Find the point of division close to 4 to 7. The ratio will be 1 is to 4 because it will be divided to 5 equal parts and we will find the closest division here, which is 1. Therefore, the ratio is 1 equals to 4. So x will be like this. X equals to x sub 1 times r2 plus x sub 2 times r1 all over r1 plus r2 equals to 4 times 4 plus 3 times 1 all over 1 plus 4. The answer will be 16 plus 3 all over 5 equals to 19 all over 5 equals to 3 and 4 over 5 because we made it a mixed number. To get y, it will be y1 times r2 plus y2 times r1 all over r1 plus r2 equals to 7 times 4 plus 4 times 1 all over 1 plus 4. It will be 28 plus 4 over 5 and it will be 32 over 5. Just to make it mixed number, it will be 6 over 2 over 5. So the point of division is 3 and 4 fifths and 6 and 2 fifths.
Lalaking nagngangalang Jomari Marfe. Sinapian di umano ng espiritu ni Noko. Ipapatrol ni Faith Medalla.
Dito po sa Sylvia sinasapian ng espiritu ni Roger ang isang estudyanteng lalaking nagngangalang Jomari Marfe.
Excuse!
Ano po ba ang dahilan?
Hindi siya nakasagot sa pagsusulit sa math, yung angles formed by two lines.
Angles formed by two lines daw po ang dahilan. Ganito.
Sinapian siya ng espiritu ni Noko.
Isa lang ang ating gagawin dyan. Kailangan natin yung record upang matanggal ang kanyang espiritu.
The topic is angles formed by two lines. In order to get the angles formed by two lines, we will have the formula tan theta equals to the slope of line 2 minus the slope of line 1 all over 1 plus the slope of line 2 times the slope of line. In order to get the slope, you will have the equation y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this figure, we will see that in every line there is 2 points. For line 1, there is 6 and 7 and negative 4 and negative 1. In line 2, negative 2 and 9 and negative 5 and 0. To get the slope of line 1, it would be 7 minus negative 1 all over 6 minus negative 4. The answer would be 8 over 10. However, it can be simplified to 4 over 5. To get the slope of line 2, it would be 9 minus negative 0 all over negative 2 minus 5 equals to negative 9 over 7. Then, the next solution will be tan theta equals to m2 minus m1 all over 1 plus m2 times m1. Solution will be like this. Tan theta equals to negative 9 over 7 minus 4 over 5 all over 1 plus negative 9 over 7 times 4 over 5. It will be negative 45 over 35 minus 28 over 35. Where we got this is that we found their LCD in order to get a same denominator in the numerator of this fraction, all over 1 plus negative 36 over 35. We got this from multiplying negative 9 and over 7 to negative 4 over 5. To simplify this, it will be negative 73 over 35 all over negative 1 over 35. To show how we cancel it, equals to negative 73 over 35 times the reciprocal of the denominator equals to 35 over negative 1. We cancel 35 because we have the same factor, and in order to get 73. So tan theta equals to 73. We move it to in order to get our tan 73 equals to 89.22. In order to get this answer, you will need a calculator.
Dahil bumagsak sa pagsusulit sa math, lalaking gustong tumalon sa ika-6 na palapag ng gusali. Ipapatrol ni Jaleza Wabinga. Jaleza?
Tama yan, Joseph. Nandito ako sa labas ng NB2 kung saan may estudyanteng nagbabalak magpakamatay dahil sa hindi pa nalalamang dahilan. Ano ang dahilan kung bakit siya magpapakamatay?
Actually, hindi po namin alam kung ano ang dahilan, pero kinakuos po namin siya.
Bakit yung mapapakamatay? Wag! Ayoko na! Gusto ko na makasal ang buhay ko! Ang hirap-hirap ng math! Lalo na ang distance to a line of point! Ang hirap-hirap! Wag! Alam ko, tuturuan kita! Ito lang yan.
Tama ho kayo, narinig niyo ho. Tutulungan namin siya.
Tama na.
The topic is distance from a line to a point. The formula to get distance from a line to the point is d equals to a times x sub 1 plus b times y sub 1 plus c all over plus or minus square root of a squared plus b squared. Take note, the plus and minus sign is used in order to make the distance positive. Therefore, if the numerator is negative, then the denominator must be negative in order for the distance to be positive.
Example. Find the distance between the line 2x minus 5y equals to 10 and the point negative 2, 5. Take note, the equation must be on its equal form. Therefore, 2x minus 5y equals to 10 must be on its standard form. We will use 2x minus 5y minus 10 equals to 0 and negative 2, 5. The a here is 2, the b is negative 5, and the c is negative 10. Let's start. Distance equals to 2 times negative 2 plus negative 5 times 5 plus negative 10 all over positive minus the square root of 2 squared plus negative 5 squared. Answer would be negative 4 plus negative 25 minus 10 all over plus minus the square root of 4 plus 25. The final form is negative 39 all over negative square root of 29. However, we cannot have a square root in the denominator of the fraction. Therefore, we would multiply it with the square root of 29 all over square root of 29 to extract the square root in the denominator. The final answer would be 39 times the square root of 29 all over 29 units.
Yan po ang aming nakalat na balita. Ako po si Joseph Leo Maaya, serbisyong tao lamang. Ito ang Balitang Isip.